women today occupy 17% of the world's democratically elected political positions. The patriarchy is alive and well. That fear was unfounded. Women did enter the workforce, and it did not take jobs from men. Employment rates for men increased after women entered the workforce. In fact, it grew the whole collective pie so much that the stock market took off, roaring 20s, even though men were the primary owners of stocks and the primary financial beneficiaries of women entering the workforce. The fears were totally unfounded, but they felt real at the time. Today, some people have a fear that if Native people and people of color rise, that somehow it will be taking jobs from white folk, opportunities from white folk, political power from white folk. White people will become the minority, and then they will be oppressed. Our racial caste system will be alive and well years from now. And if people of color are able to rise, it will not take anything from anyone else. It will grow the pie, not steal someone else's pie. Equal rights for others is not less rights for you. That one's not pie. That, in fact, even if your neighbor's house value goes up, yours does too. We all do better when we all do better. And certainly, that's the goal.